So we're going to do this review on this brand new GOOLOO A3 jump starter and tire inflator. If your battery goes dead and you need to jump the car off, the last thing you want to do is try to find somebody in jumper cables. These are absolutely phenomenal. They work well. So let's get the box open and let's see what we got inside. And when you have a jump box that can jump a battery, as well as keep your tires inflated in a pinch. All right, so here's our cable for the tire inflator. This is good. This is a turn-in, screw-in type. There's the jump box itself. Not heavy, not what I would consider heavy. A couple of pounds maybe. See on the back here, we're going to have a USB-C, a USB. That's going to be our port for the tire inflator itself. And then this is going to be for the jumper cables. This is going to be really self-explanatory. Looks like it's got a flashlight also. All right, here is the manual. I'll always suggest go through that manual, read the manual. We can see this is going to be a 3,000 amp jump box. So this will be able to jump a pretty sizable car. 9-liter gas, 6.5-liter diesel engine capacity. This is going to be a pretty versatile box. The negative and the positive cables. This will be the part that slips right in here like this. Again, self-explanatory. You can see the shape. You can see the shape. It's just going to be a simple pop in like that. And so if you're someone who's not a super heavy-duty mechanic, or someone who's not as adept to jumping off a car, this is going to be very simple for you to do. But you can see here your status indicator for your charge. So a couple of things here you need to be aware of, right? And this is why you have to read the manual. Your LED indicator, if it's a green LED, when you connect the battery cables to the battery, if it's a green LED, connection is correct, and you can proceed to start the vehicle directly. If it's red, means there's a problem. Check your terminals to make sure you got positive to positive, negative to negative. Green LED blinks, the battery voltage level is too low. There is a boost button right here. You'll hit that and hopefully it'll be okay. Also, I just noticed, if you look here, you're going to see correct and reverse. Now, the last part here is if you have no light, the vehicle battery may be damaged. First of all, make sure the correct connection. Try to press boost. If that does none of those work and you get no light on your status indicator, battery's no good. All right, so the battery's not dead, but I'm going to just simply show you, okay? Your positive will go to your positive. Your ground will go to the car's ground. Every car's got a different type of ground now. In this one specific, this would be where you would hook up the ground cable, okay? Very simple operation. You'll take this, you'll open this up, you'll put it in the correct way. Once that's in, you're going to take and connect your positive cable first, then your negative cable. And then just simply, as long as these indicators here are good, your indicator here is good, hit start, and you should be able to fire up your battery. As far as the tire inflator, it's a simple screw in like this. You can see here, we're in our different setups here. We're going to set our tire pressure to 42. Always check with your tire manufacturer to see what the tire pressure should be for your tires. In my case, 42 PSI. So I'm going to put that there. You're going to lock that in and then just kind of, as soon as it's done, it'll shut itself off, unplug it, and you're good to go. And now the last thing I want to show you is how you charge it up. Simply take the USB-C, plug it in, and it'll automatically start charging up for you. Now, this also doubles as a charging box. So if you need to charge your phone, cameras, or what have you while you're out, you can simply plug in the USB-C, plug in your device, USB, plug in your device, and it'll charge those devices up. So yeah, I'm going to highly recommend this GOOLOO A3 3,000 amp jump box with tire air inflator. It's a really, really good jump box, multifunctional, and you pack it up simply, put it into your trunk or your frunk or whatever it is that you drive, and you'll always be able to jump your battery off. You won't need anybody else to do it. Highly recommend.